Dear students, today we are going to study about silicates and the different types of silicates. What are silicates? Silicates are minerals. They contain silicon and oxygen. Silicon and oxygen. These two elements in tetrahedral units SiO4 4 minus. This is a tetrahedral unit of silicon and oxygen, and linkage of these tetrahedral units in different pattern are called silicates. We know that silicon, the outermost energy level, has got 4 electrons. It has got S2 P2 electronic configuration. S2 P2 is the electronic configuration. In the excited state, one electron from here is shifted to here. Therefore, it is involved in sp3 hybridization, one s orbital and 3 p orbitals, resulting in sp3 hybridization. Those sp3 hybridized orbitals occupy corners of a regular tetrahedron. Each orbital contains one electron each, and these orbitals overlap with 4 s orbitals, 4 p orbitals of oxygen, giving SiO4 4 minus. This is how we get the tetrahedral unit for SiO4, and the structure can be given like this: Si at the center, 4 oxygen atoms. So this is the tetrahedral shape of SiO4 4 minus unit. And 95% of earth crust is composed of silicate mineral and silica, of course. Silica is also belongs to silicate category only. These SiO4 units are shared. And then glass industry, ceramic industry, everything is under silicates. So let us go into different types of silicates and what are the different types of silicates. It may be little bit difficult for you to classify these types. Let me give a simple clue. One strong recommendation in corona thread. One strong recommendation in corona thread, corona doubt, let me say corona doubt. One strong recommendation in corona doubt is screening test. So I have given just first letters as different types. This is I also starts with a type C, D, S and T. So what are the different types of silicates? One strong recommendation in corona doubt is screening test. Just remember, one strong recommendation in corona doubt is screening test. O, it starts with O. First type, orthosilicate. Let me write here, orthosilicate. Orthosilicate is also called as nesosilicate. The other name you can remember, orthosilicate or nesosilicate. Second one, it starts with S. Therefore, sorosilicate. Sorosilicate, which is otherwise called as pyrosilicate. So one strong recommendation. Or ring silicate. Ring silicate may be called as cyclic silicate. Ring silicate may be called as cyclic silicate. Fourth type, before I go in for fourth type, fourth and fifth type comes under IN. What is IN? Enosilicate. Inosilicates. Under inosilicates, we have C and D, corona, doubt. What is C? Chain silicate. Cyclic, we have seen it is chain silicate. That you should remember. Chain silicate. Corona, doubt. C for cyclic silicate, called as pyroxene. It is pyrosilicate, it is pyroxene. All right. Doubt D, double chain silicate. Fifth one, chain silicate and double chain silicate. Doubt, double chain silicate. Double chain silicate is otherwise called as amphiboles. Pyroxene, amphiboles. Sixth category, screening test, it comes under S and T. Sheet silicate or amphiboles. Amphiboles we have written phyllosilicate. Seventh category, T, three-dimensional silicate. Three-dimensional silicate are tectosilicates. All right. So these are the 7 types of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types of silicates we are going to see. It's not so difficult. If you just start to understand, things will become much easier. So let me go with the first type, orthosilicate. Or nesosilicate. This is the simplest silicate variety where simple SiO4 units are present. SiO4 tetrahedral units are present. Each oxygen atom is having a negative charge. This is the tetrahedral shape. All right. And in short, when it is viewed from the top, silicon at the center surrounded by oxygen, and 3 more oxygen atoms occupy 3 corners of a regular triangle. Likewise, it can be picturized. So we used to draw SiO4 1, 2, 3, 4. SiO4 4 minus tetrahedra. So if such SiO4 tetrahedra are present in such silicates, they are said to be orthosilicate. That's all. Here, in most of the silicate, these oxygen atoms are shared with other SiO4 tetrahedra units. Whereas here it is not shared, it is simply SiO4 unit as such. And the example we are going to see 2 examples in this category, and that may be one more example we will be going in for sorosilicate. 3 examples we are going to say. I used to remember in this form of pot. First one example starts with P, second example starts with O. Here, for the second one, example starts with T. This is how I used to remember pot. What is first one? Phenacite is the example. Phenacite is made of beryllium compound of this SiO4 unit. We know beryllium valency 2. Here we have 4 minus, therefore Be2. Be2SiO4. Be2 plus 2 beryllium, therefore 2 into 2 plus 4 plus valency 2, SiO4 4, therefore the molecular formula becomes BeSiO4. Be4 SiO4 twice, upon simplification it becomes Be4 SiO4 twice, upon simplifying Be2 SiO4, that is phenacite. Next example starts with olivine. It is iron magnesium silicate. silicate. Valency of iron as well as magnesium 2. Both these things may be present in olivine. So, SiO4 valency 2, iron or magnesium, it is 2, SiO4 4. Therefore, the molecular formula comes Fe bar Mg 4 SiO4 twice. Upon simplifying, you will be getting FeMg twice SiO4. That's what we have done here. Phenacite, olefine. First two example starts with P and O. So that is about orthosilicate or nesosilicate. Here Be2 plus ions are tetrahedral surrounded by O2 minus ions. Here Fe Mg 2 plus ions are octahedrally surrounded by O2 minus ions. That is about orthosilicate. Hope you might have understood orthosilicate thoroughly. Now, second example, second type, sorosilicate. To sorosilicate. Sorosilicate, otherwise called as pyrosilicate. All right. Here, two SiO4 units are joined together. Let me draw the SiO4 unit. Very simple triangle, that's all. This one triangle, this another triangle. I have drawn in a very simplified method. One oxygen here, oxygen, 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 oxygen. This oxygen is shared by two SiO4 tetrahedron units. There is a silicon at the center. There is a silicon at the center, surrounded by oxygen. There is silicon at the center, oxygen. 1, 2, 3. Here, 2 Si2. One oxygen is shared, therefore, one become common. The contribution of this oxygen for these two Si is 1/2, and therefore, for two silicon atoms, 2 into 1/2 becomes 1. Remaining 3, 1, 2, 3 is for this silicon, 1, 2, 3 is for this silicon. Therefore, Si2O6 plus 1 silicon common plus 1. For this silicon atom, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this silicon atom, 1, 2, 3. For another, for this silicon O3, for this silicon O3, the remaining 1 is common. Therefore, here up, here up. It becomes Si2O7. What about charge? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 minus. So, Si2O7, 6 minus is the charge. Si2O7, 6 minus. So, that is pyrosilicate ion. It is orthosilicate ion, nesosilicate ion. It is pyrosilicate ion or sorosilicate ion. What is the example for this? Example is thotwitite. Thotwitite. Part P, phenacite, olivine, thotwitite. This silicate, it is the first transition element, scandium, valency 3, scandium 3 plus. Scandium is making bond with the Si2O7, valency 6, valency 3. Therefore, the formula will be Si3, Si6, Si2O7. Upon simplifying, you will be getting Si3, sorry, Si2, Si2O7, Si2, Si2O7, scandium pyrosilicate. So, this is sorosilicate or pyrosilicate. Next, let me rub orthosilicate and sorosilicate. Let us go into the third type, ring silicate. ring silicate or cyclic silicate. Here, two oxygen atoms are shared. Instead of one oxygen in the earlier case, two oxygen atoms are shared. So, third one, ring silicate or cyclic silicate. Let me discuss with 3 silicate units forming ring, 6 silicate units forming ring. Likewise, we can make. Let me draw a hexagon. Just imagine a hexagon like this. At alternate places, let me make silicon with oxygen, silicon, silicon, silicon with oxygen. Let me make with oxygen. 1, 2, 3. And let me make oxygen in the other places. 1, 2, 3. This silicon bonded with 2. One more I have to draw. One more. One more. One more. That's all. If we make a triangle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a ring silicate formed by 1, 2, 3. 1 unit of SiO4 4 minus. Another unit of SiO4 4 minus, third unit of SiO4. In all the cases, 2 oxygen atoms are shared. 2 oxygen atoms become common. This oxygen atom is common to this oxygen atom, this oxygen atom. Likewise, it is made. Now, what about the number of oxygens present in the compound? Si3, 3 silicon atoms are present. With each silicon atom, 2 is undisturbed, 1 plus 1, exclusively for the silicate, exclusively for the silicate, exclusively for the silicate. So, SiO2, for one Si, O2, for another Si also O2, for another Si also O2. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. For each silicon, 2 oxygen atom is exclusively for it. But 2 more oxygen atoms are shared between the neighboring 2. So, contribution of these 2 for this half plus half 1. Therefore, extra 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, if we make like this, you will be getting Si3O 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Si3O9, which is nothing but simplification, SiO3. Now, what about charge? SiO3 I made. What about charge? If we go in for charge, just let us count here charge. 1, 2, 3. No, we don't have. 1, 2, 3. In each silicon, only 2 oxygen atoms are having negative charge, other is shared, and therefore total charge 2, 4, 6. For Si3O9, total charge is 6 minus. For each one, therefore the charge will be SiO3, charge will be 2 minus. If we have n such units, what will be the charge? N such units, 2n minus charge, 2n minus. This is how we are getting charge. Suppose if we have 6 units, Si6O, how many it will come? 18. Si6O18, that is SiO3 6 times. The charge will be 2 into 6, 12 minus. And therefore, the compound example, I used to go in for example, BSA, remembering the cycle brand, part, and then for each one I used to remember BSA. It starts with the B. It's nothing but beryl. Beryl, B, beryl, beryl, aluminium. Beryllium and aluminium, that is the meaning. Beryl, beryllium and aluminium. Beryllium valency 2, aluminium valency 3. Therefore, here 3, here 2. Total charge will become 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus, total charge 12 plus. 12 minus get nullified and you will be getting a molecule like this. This is the example for ring silicate or cyclic silicate containing 6 SiO3 units. And the charge, total charge becomes 12 minus. How? We managed to get silicon oxygen, Si3O9. Likewise charge 2 plus 2 plus 2 only, therefore 6. This is how we have got the charge. If it is simplified, divided by 3, you will be getting SiO3, 2 minus, but several number need not be 3, 6, likewise several number may be there, and therefore it is made N, here also made N. So in ring silicate, the charge on the silicate units are SiO3N times 2N minus 1. And if 3 units are joined like this, you will be getting, suppose if I made 6 units as in beryl, the example we have given beryl, just like we have given beryl, let me try to draw the silicate with 6 SiO3 units. One, oxygen. Here again I will be having silicon with oxygen. This side also O again. Then oxygen, silicon with oxygen, oxygen, silicon with oxygen, oxygen, silicon with oxygen, oxygen. Now we should make necessary number of oxygen with the silicon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I